The Ministry of Culture has announced the list of 2026 Reggae Gold Awards and Hall of Fame inductee, a tribute to the island's iconic music legacy. Marlon Samuels has the details.
15 reggae icons, including Peter Ashbourne, broadcast journalist Elaine Wint, and songwriter-producer Mikey Bennett will be honored at the awards ceremony on February 27th at the National Arena. Reggae legend Ken Boothe will be inducted into the Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame.
When I fall in love, there will be no other, only you and me in this so wide world.
Highlighting reggae's global influence, KAWA, a Chinese band, will be among the performers at the ceremony. Veteran bassist Frankie Campbell will receive the Prime Minister's Lifetime Achievement Award for his role in shaping Jamaica's musical sound. Reggae's messenger, Luciano, will take center stage, performing with the Reggae Symphony Orchestra.
This event highlights reggae's enduring power to inspire and unify, both locally and worldwide. It promises soulful performances and a celebration of Jamaica's musical soul. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.